everyone, Gagajoy's cooking. Today we're going to be doing some Vidalia onions. This time of year is always our Vidalia onion time because after they're gone, you can use other onions. I like the oh-so sweets too, but these I just take the skins off like this, like we all do. I take the, where the root is, just barely take it off because you want to keep it together. I'm going to have green beans tonight, and so this is the perfect time to do this. This was one of my husband's very favorite side dishes, is these onions. I don't think I can remember of anything that I've ever really cooked in a microwave except these onions. This is you cook these strictly in the oven. I guess you could cook them in the microwave oven. I guess you could cook them in a regular oven. I just never have. Just never got around to doing it that way. I'm sure you could. But this is so quick and easy and so good. That's 2, 3. I just take the top off. Just barely take that root off. Of course, this is for people who love onions. And I love onions. And I think that they're so good with green beans like this. Okay, that's that part done. Now, the next little step is you gotta get a little bit out of the inside of it. I just use a watermelon baller. I guess that's what I would always call it. Now that's when the onions start getting in your eyes. I keep onions in my refrigerator. I know no one else does that, but I find that if you keep an onion in your refrigerator, they are more juicy. They do not, when you take them out, you don't have that eye burning when you're cooking them up. And I didn't have these in the refrigerator, so I'm blaming myself. Okay, I'm just doing 3 today because that's all I'm going to be at my house. And I brush them with a lot of butter, of course. Now, let's put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. This I'll take a knife. That's just a high. That would be a 1/4 of a teaspoon. This is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Now the other thing is, I put a bouillon cube, since you've hollowed it out, where you put your bouillon cube in it. Now each one of them gets a bouillon cube. And I just put fill it up with a little bit of water. Let me put a little tiny bit in the bottom. That's right. Now I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes and see where it goes from there. And I'll tell you how long it takes, much longer it takes. It has to do with how many you put in at one time. So we'll be back. Well, I'm going to get it out of the microwave now. I've actually had it in here for 10 minutes. I usually do it at 5, but then I only do 1 at 5. So this is, and the way I tell how, just put your fork in it. If it goes all the way down to the bottom, you know it's done. And they do. I'll tell you, it smells good. I'll give you that. Yep. See how good it is in the middle. Well, oh, that's so good. So sweet. And that's too good. Oh, now we can join the rest of our meal and continue eating. It's a pretty good day. I'm glad you joined me. I hope you try the Vidalia onions. When this runs out, just go ahead and do your regular onions. They're just as good. This one's just a little bit sweeter. Have a good day. We'll see you soon. Remember the joy. Go down and subscribe, ring that bell. We'll see you soon.